Avoid defeat, and Marquinhos would officially become the first player to win 10 Liga McDonald's titles, and of course a 13th for Paris Saint-Germain. Angers, though, plotting to play party poopers at Le Parc. Bradley Barcola and Ousmane Dembele on the bench as Luis Enrique shuffled his pack after midweek cup action that saw PSG set up a Coupe de France final with Reims. Returning to the starting 11 alongside Marquinhos was William Pacho, the Ecuadorian doing magnificently to recover the situation after Lilian Raolisola had released Esteban Nepal, although Angers might have been hoping for a spot kick. PSG had won their last 15 straight against Angers in Liga McDonald's. Achraf Hakimi whipping in a wicked cross. Yaya Fofana initially pushing it away. The danger still was there. Fabian Ruiz back across. Gonzalo Ramos over the top. Well, that was a tough header. The Portuguese striker should have done better with this one. Hanging tough, but couldn't convert Warren Zaire-Emery's cross. Paris still looking for the breakthrough. Vitinha tried his luck from distance. Well, Yaya Fofana has made the most saves of any goalkeeper in the division, showing his class to frustrate Luis Enrique. They'd scored 35 league goals in 2025 alone, the best of any top 5 European league. And 10 minutes into the second half, the 36th was duly delivered. Desiree Douy with 18 goal involvements in 2025 alone, as many goals as assists. After a brilliant creation from Kavicha Kvaratskhelia. Luis Enrique now preparing for a title party. Fabian Ruiz was looking to hit half-century of league matches unbeaten in a Paris Saint-Germain shirt. He tried to celebrate it with a rasping drive, but Fofana got his angles spot on. Paris were looking for that clinching second. Bradley Barcola stepping off the bench. He waited, and then set up Achraf Hakimi. On his weaker side, he just couldn't do enough to get it past Fofana. The Parisian looking for extra shine on a victory that was going to seal a 4th straight league title. Kvaratskhelia tried to provide it, but Fofana once again with a smart stop. Angers finishing without a shot on target, and that's 5 without a goal, first time since 1980. But this was all about the crowning of French champions for the 13th time, and PSG's 4th in a row. 28 games unbeaten. Now the target is the treble, with the Coupe de France and Champions League still there to be won, and the first French club possibly to do an invincible season. The players soaking in the moment at the Parc des Princes with their supporters, but the trophy ceremony and the fireworks to boot will be held on the final day when they host Auxerre on May the 17th.